Bonjour, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rijja Kausarla and today's grammar topic is les adjectives. So in this topic, we'll learn l'accord des adjectives and le plurial des adjectives. So in French, adjectives agree with the number and gender of the noun they qualify. To make the feminine form of an adjective, we have to follow a few rules. The first rule is to make an adjective feminine, usually an E is added to the masculine form. For example, petit becomes petite. Intéressant becomes intéressante with an E. Court becomes courte. The second rule is the adjectives remain same in feminine form if the adjective is ending in an E in the masculine form. For example, masculine difficile is the same as feminine difficile. Rouge is same as rouge and mince is same as mince. The next rule is adjectives ending with EAU in the masculine form change to ELLE in the feminine form. For example, beau changes to belle. Nouveau changes to nouvelle in the feminine form. I'm so sorry for the typing error here. It becomes nouvelle, that is NOUVELLE. And finally, there are some irregular adjectives that are made feminine by doubling the final consonant and adding an E. For example, bon becomes bone. We doubled the final N and added an E. Gentil becomes gentil, that is double N-E. And gros becomes gros, that is double S-E. The next is le plurial des adjectives. So normally, we make the adjective plural by adding an S. For example, mince becomes mince in plural with an S. Gone becomes gone with an S. Blah becomes blah with an S. The second rule is the plural form remains the same for adjectives ending in S and X. For example, mauvais becomes mauvais. Go becomes go. And vai becomes wir. The third rule is formation of plural by adding an X to the adjectives ending in EAU. For example, beau becomes beau with an X. Nouveau becomes nouveau with an X. Finally, there's an exception to these rules of adjectives, and that exception is vieux, that is old in French. In masculine singular, it is vieux. In masculine singular, in front of a vowel or a silent H, it is vai. In masculine plural, it is vieux again. In feminine singular, it is vai. And in feminine plural, it is vai. So this is it for this lesson. If you have any doubts, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments. Do subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like the content. Thank you. Merci.